This is a little fountain here in Monaco. Wow, I love this color red flower. Stop running! It's very hot today. So we go this side. We're inside the park. There, you see guys, that is the stadium there. The grandstand where the Grand Prix will pass. So we cannot see the casino from here. It's covered by the grandstand. And look at here. So we go home now. Let's go, let's go. We buy ice cream. I love this purple flower. Oh. Wow, what kind of flower is this? I love this. Wow. You see? I thought it's just a normal kind of trees. Love it. Purple also. Wow. So actually dito sa Europe ay napakaraming pieces ng flower na napakaganda ng mga bulaklak. Actually. Wow. So that is the Barclay. Hawak kamay, Jomel. Oh, wow. Guys, Rebecca. Alebe? I carry you, I carry you. Pas ka pa traverse.
Mama, let's buy ice cream.
Go, get Jomel.
Let's buy cream. Mama, can we buy cream?
Ice cream.
Let's buy cream.
Go, 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 go. Ali, go. No? We go there on the other side.
Mama, look. That is the
Wait.
Mama, look at the book.
Yeah, so cute. Ali, see,
Oh,
Rebecca.
that's cute. This is the
Is Rebecca?
you see there are
Thank you for watching, everyone.
we're gonna die because we
Wow, so beautiful this one. I don't know if I have catched the car. It was very, very beautiful. Only now I recognize that it was post. No, coba tumbi. I love the place. Be, magpicture ka sa gitna, Ali. No one to take me a photo, that's why I don't have even pictures. Bastela, coba legal glass, Rebecca.
Can we buy a Sigma Boy ice cream? So this is Monaco. I walk around Monaco.
We're gonna buy ice cream here in Monaco. Hawakan mo siya ang kamay niya kasi ba ano yung gano'n niya. Oh. Pardon. Albe? Beautiful. Let's go. We go buy her ice cream. Tayo dito ng mga mabili. Ice cream. You see? Rebecca? Kaya tayo ng ice cream dito. Matapon, mawala ah. So ayan na, nakabili na kami ng ice cream.
Hindi masarap. Pagka hindi masarap, bakit sinasabi?
Ay, si Julie. Ali, wait. No, dali. Dali lah, ya di bukod flower. Ah, li Barbie. Salah. Oh, si Julie. Oui, si Julie. Alibia? Ah, sila gatosa. Wow, it's very beautiful. I love it. 10 euro only this one. Hawakan mo siya, Mel. And this is the back of the Monaco Palace. Hindi. Sa Bruno magsundo. Yarbi ka. Ale? So we go this way because there are ya di police lang. Ale ni ba? Because Jomel have to put the ice cream in the fridge, in the freezer. Ha? So ayan, dito na lang kami dumaan. Hindi na kami doon dumaan kasi tawid-tawid sa ano, kalsada. Maligalig ang aking alaga. At ang elevator. Mercy.
Siya yun? Hindi? Pagkadating sa bahay, pwede akong kaya ng isa?
Okay.
Yeah. Bakit madaming Pilipino na gano'n dito nagtatrabaho?
Sabi ka,
Madaming Pilipino nagtatrabaho dito.
Rebecca.
Нет, ты знаешь.
Jomel, igante. Igante, sabi ko. No!
Mama, ano yung feminine ng ng ogre? Mama, alam mo yung feminine ng ogre?
Si Rebecca! No, no, no! My God! My godness!
My God, nung tatlo, my God.
O sige, day.
My God.
Cute ang bulaklak na to. Wait, oh, hawakan mo siya, hawakan mo. No, no, no. Rebecca, ata. Alam ni ba? Huwag kayo magtakbo, anak. Hawak kamay, Kuya Jumel.
Coffee. Kuya, coffee pa sa
Alis, Shere. Rebecca! Tosyo, ah. Tosyo, Rebecca.
Okay, chill. Mama, Monday. Hindi ka pupunta dito, Monday, para magpunta ka sa Atsitos?
Monday with sa Balbird ka, di ba?
Ha?
Balbird ka ng... Ali? Hindi ko alam kung nakunan.
Yung lalaki nagaganto, oh.
Ano yun?
Naggagawa ng face na parang nagaganto siya.
Kanino? Sa akin?
Yung lalaki. Ano sa may Ferrari na kaganyan. Parang akala niya siya yung Mercedes.
Hindi ko nga alam kung nakunan ko eh. Ganda sana.
Can we go up there? Can we go up there?
Dumaan ka dun. The longest stairs here.
Can we go up there? Can we go?
You go! You go down the other side. The other gate. You have a key? Tiring. Ale, di ba? No, 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 no. Ale, let's go, let's go. Melt na yan mamaya ice cream mo. Tingnan mo lang. Coba tong beer because to play. Oh, pardon. Okay, pass it twice yan, tipo. Sila ba doon? Yes.
Bibili ka pa ng ice cream.
Yes, kasi.
Bibili ka pa ng isa.
Louie. Eh, 20 minutes ko lang, be. So cute, beautiful. I love this color. Isabel Rebecca.
Rebecca.
This is so beautiful. Look. Ito ay may andamin tong klase ng bulaklak, guys. May pink, may white, may yellow, may purple. Ayan. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Thank you for your support.